Good morning, guys. We're looking at NIO here. NIO actually looks really, really good lately. It passed over the 200 SMA and 50 SMA here. We had a really long run up, and it honestly looks like we might have a cup and handle forming. Excuse me. It looks like it pops up and then maybe have a small pullback. I wouldn't be surprised if it consolidated here, slowly came up, and waited for the 50 SMA to pull back up, catch up, bounce off the 50 SMA, and then run up. So if we go ahead and use Fibonacci retracements here, I'm looking at we had a pullback just in this zone right here of around 61.8, and that is bringing, if we use Fibonacci extensions as well as using the previous, so it's going to be somewhat in here from $49 to $50. That's what I think it's gonna pull up to after it consolidates here just for a little bit. Um, Ideally, and also that also implies if we measure this run up, so it's around $8.50 of a run. Then we measure the bottom of an $8.50 run. That's around $49. So everything's really pointing. NIO's looking very bullish lately. We do have a resistance right here and another one right here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we, yeah, again, consolidated here, made an ascending triangle to pop over this one, and then consolidate in here for a little bit until this 50 SMA pops over this 200 SMA. And if it still consolidates, waiting for the 50 SMA to squeeze NIO up to that $50 range. So, I mean, I think we can expect it to hit 50 by the end of May. That would be a good return. That's what I don't even feel like doing that math right now. What is it at right now? To around 50. That's like a 20% return, 19% return in a month, which is very, very good. It might be a good idea to make some calls. I might make some small calls. Just very, very not like super risky calls. Very in the money, but that would be ideal for us. And yes, I have been making videos on TradingView, but this is my main trading platform. This is where I do my charting, and as you can see, I can have multiple. Oh, that's messed up. I can have multiple stocks. I can also have more of a flexible grid if I wanted to. But I trade when I day trade. I trade like this. I trade with my 5 minute chart here, 1 minute chart, and 2 day 5 minute chart. So, and this is just basically when I can put limit orders in automatically. Wherever I click, I can put a limit order in. But I don't have enough funds to buy 1,000 NIO shares. So that's not going to really work. So what NIO is starting to look very, very good. Where's the, go ahead and maximize the sell. I honestly, I kind of want to make some NIO calls for the future. I really want to. I definitely actually will, because NIO's looking very, very good. We had like a triple bottom here, which was actually which is very good. Couldn't break past. We got past the 50 EMA or SMA, then popped back down, and now it looks like we have finally passed it. So it looks like we found support. Remember, support and resistance are zones, so this could be a small zone, and we had a lot of resistance here, or support, I mean, and also the 200 SMA and 50 SMA. So it does look very, very bullish from here. I mean, we are stuck in a consolidation period, it looks like. So, I mean, we did have a false breakout. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wait to see what happens if it does call, because I want to catch this. I want to catch this run of $6 or $7. So I really want to. This setup doesn't really look. This setup just looks good because it popped over the 200 SMA where either these didn't. And really, once these cross, that's a good buy and sell signal. Look, all the way at the. Oh, I can't look, but look, it's been in a bullish motion and it hasn't really crossed once. It's close to crossing, but it bounced right back up, and then it crossed. Boom. So then that's not. I don't trade with just this strategy. Just trading off one indication is just not a way to do it. But I'm also trading off naked trading mixed with technical trading. So when this crosses, I will most likely make a call for NIO. I'll probably go 2 months out, and probably with the strike price of somewhere around 35. I'll do a strike price of 35 or so, and I want to pick a high delta. So if you have a high delta on one of your options, so let's say a delta is 0.6. In this case, every single dollar that your stock goes up, you're making $60 on your premium, or 60 cents on your premium. And that's what you really want to catch, because if I have a 60-cent premium, then I'm going to catch this run to around $50, which is around $6. So I can times 6 by 6. That's $360 that you can make off this $6 run. That's if you get a 60-cent delta. And a lot of times, as it goes up higher and higher, as your contract gets more in the money, that delta will also go up, so you'll make more money, more and more money. Let's actually go ahead and take a peek at what kind of call that would be, so I can give you guys a play that I would most likely be making. If you don't know, our analysts do make very, very good calls. We've been absolutely crushing it in our Discord. I'll go ahead and put a link in the bio if you guys are interested. So I'll probably do one for like June 4th, and I'll go ahead and do a $35 call. This is going to be a $700 call with with a delta of 80. With a delta of 80, that's crazy. And theta is how much time decay that it's occurring, and it's only losing $3 a day. So that's very good. I might even go higher here. That's $82 a day for an extra. Yeah, so this is very good. I might very well do this call, because if it goes up to what I think it will, then we'll have around 8, 6. I'm not good with quick math like this. Oh well, it's simple math. I need to do practice, but you guys know the gist. I'm doing a June 4th call, buy to open, $35 strike, and that delta. We're really looking at that delta, how high that delta is. The volume's 2, so it's not crazy high, but open interest, implied volatility. Okay, I mean, it looks good. I mean, everything really looks fine by me. Thanks for coming to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed NIO. NIO is one of my favorite stocks, just because I've always traded it. I don't know when I bought down here for NIO day, and I caught this whole run. I had a calls for this whole run, but sadly, I didn't sell at the peak. Caught this, and I didn't take a loss, but I couldn't get where I wanted. But then I bought shares right here because I thought it was going to continue to go up. And so now I'm just down here holding. I'm not too worried about it though, because I'm holding those shares long term. So that's really something that I like. And I just had one of my other holdings buy in around $36 a share, which is good. It was around here, but just because I knew NIO, we had a triple bottom. We are making down, but it might have been around 38 because this trend line. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I'll have to look in my thing. I think there was something. Either broke this 50 SMA and this. I'll have to look what our buy-in price is. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found value from this video. Always stick to your plan. I'm not a financial advisor, and have a good day.